Can you know if someone only send you a snap? So basically, Snapchat does not provide notifications for when someone simply views or sends you a snap without replying. However, you can usually tell in some ways. Sometimes people check the snap score as a clue. If someone's score keeps increasing without them snapping you back, it may mean they are snapping others or viewing stories. But this is not conclusive. Also, in the chat screen, if the other person opens your snap, you will see a opened timestamp under their name. But if they don't respond with their own snap, Snapchat won't notify you of the activity beyond that. If someone sends you a snap, photo, or video, you will also get a notifications that they have sent something. But if they only view or ignore your story or snaps without replying, there is no notifications. So in short, Snapchat does not provide any notifications if someone only sends you a snap. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.